Welcome back to the Mexican Food Channel. In today's video, we're gonna be making un pastel de fruta. It's gonna have jicama, cucumber, mango, chamoy, carrot, and Mexican candy. Let's get started. First off, we're gonna peel our jicama, like so. I know this is a cake knife, but it seems to be working great. Make sure you peel all of it. My mom's a pro. Now we're gonna cut it in smaller pieces because we're gonna shred it. This is a huge jicama. I actually found 2 of these and I haven't even used the other one. Oh man. My mom brought her old reliable and it did wonders. You're gonna need a shredder for this one. So whatever shredder you have with these type of holes, go ahead and use it. Shred, shred, shred. This is how it should come out. So the jicama holds a lot of water, but we need to drain that so it can stay together on the cake mold. You can do different methods, but this is the easiest way we found. Just go ahead and squeeze the juice out of it. You gonna squeeze real tight. Don't worry, ladies and gentlemen, we made sure our hands were washed before we started doing this. But trust us, we did try other methods that did not work. Y'all get to squeezing. Now that it's all drained, we're gonna go ahead and pack it tight into our cake mold. Using a spoon could help. Next, you're gonna go ahead and peel some carrots and add it to the top. We're gonna go ahead and shred them and add it to the jicama. Make sure you pack it tight. After you're done, go ahead and put it in the freezer for at least 5 hours. As the base of the cake, we're gonna use cucumbers. You'll see what we're talking about in a little bit. Go ahead and peel them. Next, we're gonna cut them into even slices like this. Try to find a pretty big plate to set up this cake. It's pretty big. We're gonna add some lime juice into this. Add a little bit of salt, sea salt preferably. Next, we're gonna add your favorite chamoy. We're using this one. This one's delicious. Drizzle it over the top. Now that the base is done, we're gonna go ahead and flip the cake mold onto this. I don't know where my mom got this Tupperware mold from, but it's great. Try not to take it out of the freezer prematurely because it will come apart. Ooh, that looks like coconut. We're gonna go ahead and decorate the top with some more fruit. Just layers and layers and layers. Go ahead and peel some mango. This should be enough. We're also gonna add some Mexican candy onto this. It's gonna be loaded. After you're done peeling it, you're gonna cut the mango into little slices. Make them like this so they can bend over on top of the cake, so don't make them too thick. Start putting it on top of the cake. Any mango that's left over, go ahead and add it into the center. Next up, you're gonna add the Mexican candy. Normally I would have just thrown it all together, but I'm trying to make it look nice for you guys. We added 3 of those squiggles packages in total. Next up, we're gonna cut pulparindo into little strips. Try to set them down like so. I have some Mexican candy that I made in one of our previous videos. I'm gonna add it on top. It's the Skittles. Go ahead and drizzle the entire cake with chamoy. And voila! All done! If you're tired of the same old cake, I'm telling you, this is the way to go. It was delicious. This chamoy though, it's good. I'm gonna go get me a couple of these before they go up in price. Well, that's it guys. Hope you liked the video.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and see you on the next one. Love ya!